Hello and welcome, dear viewers. Today's story is about the 8 parts of speech. Please don't miss this lecture because you will learn different things about grammar. Remember, every word in a sentence is a part of speech. Noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, animal or thing. Examples of noun: boy. The boy is happy, so boy in this sentence is a noun. School. The school is big. School is a noun in this sentence. Dog. The dog runs fast. Here in this sentence, dog is a noun. Book, apple and car is also a noun. Remember, nouns some name people, place, animals or things. Every sentence usually has a noun. Pronouns. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. Examples of pronouns: I and me. I am a student. In this sentence, I is a pronoun. You are my friend. You is a pronoun in this sentence. He is tall, she is kind. He and she is a pronoun. We, they, it are also called pronouns. Remember, pronouns replace nouns in sentence. Use pronouns to avoid repeating names. Verbs. A verb is an action word that tells what someone or something does. Examples of verbs: the girl runs fast. Here in this sentence, runs is a verb. Jump. The boy jumps high. Jump is also verb. Read. She reads a story. Reads in this sentence a verb. Write. He writes neatly. Writes in this sentence is a verb. Play. They play outside. We sing a song. Remember, verbs shows action in sentence. Verbs tell us what is happening. Adjectives. An adjective is a describing word that tells us more about a noun. Example of adjectives: big. The elephant is big. Big is an adjective. The mouse is small. The girl is happy. The flowers are colorful. The pillow is soft. The car is fast. Remember, adjectives describes nouns. Adjectives tell us how things look, feel, or are. Adverbs. An adverb is a word that describes a verb and tells us how, when, or where. Example of adverbs: quickly, slowly, loudly, quietly, happily, carefully. Remember, adverbs describe verbs. Adverb tell us how something is done. Conjunctions. Conjunctions is a joining word that connects words, phrases, or sentence. And I like cats and dogs. Here and is conjunction. But, are, so, because, when. These are conjunctions. Remember, conjunctions join words and sentences. Common conjunctions: and, but, are, so, because. Interjection. An interjection is a word that shows strong feelings or emotions. Wow, wow, that's amazing. Wow, yeah, oh no, hurry, sure. These are interjections. Remember, interjection shows feelings and emotions. Interjections often end with exclamation marks.